Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well as you get back from your February break, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody's still on track with all the assignments that you need to do. So right now I'm logged in as Brandon, and this is what you should see. Every person should see this when you log in. You're currently working on Module 1, and all of your assignments are right over here. When you click on Module 1, it'll take you in here and it says Start Here. And it just tells you what are the standards that you should be working on, what are your objectives, and you have a checklist, which I also gave you in a hard copy. It's also available in the course resources. So as we go back through Module 1, we see that we have a video to watch. We have some closed notes to fill in, which if I click on here, I can download the closed notes. It opens up right here. I can type in all of these little gray boxes and all of the information that I need. If I press click on that link, all of the information that I need to fill in the closed notes is here. So when I'm done, I have to save this somewhere so that I can go back. Oops. Sorry. So that I can go back and submit this assignment when I'm finished. Okay, you can put little notes like this, you don't have to. Also, I did post an update today. One of your assignments that you do need to be working on is the class wiki. So the directions are right here. I gave you the website to go to. Just copy and paste this in your browser. Here's your join code. When you get over there, here we go. It's Miss Newman's 5th grade class. You see we have Module 1 over here. You're all working on Module 1, so what you need to do is define and discuss all topics of the Great Depression Module 1, which is the stock market crash of 1929, Herbert Hoover, Franklin Roosevelt, the Dust Bowl, and soup kitchens. So all you have to do is click on Add Discussion, or you can edit, okay? And then just type in whatever you want to put. If you want to put a file, put a file. If you want to put a link, put a picture. Whatever has to do with all of the topics for Module 1 needs to be put right in here as part of your assignment. Right here, Great Depression Wiki. And if you have any problems with this, please let me know. Also, the second thing in this note that I posted says all of your synchronous sessions have been canceled. We are no longer going to be meeting and chatting on here. So please ignore those. Every module has one. Just ignore for now. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Just send me a message by clicking up here if you need anything.